Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and buy Solana Classic. Now Solana Classic might be a direct competitor to Ethereum Classic because if we talk about the current market cap of Ethereum Classic, it's close to 4 billion, and with regards to Solana Classic, it's relatively a newer token with a current market cap of around 1 million US dollar at the time of making this video. Now this could potentially go 100x, 1000x or maybe 10,000x, you may never know. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. And this is their official Twitter page. And they are doing a lot of tie-ups and collaborations with different KOLs and also with different utility coins and tokens and also meme coins. And this is their website, Solana Classic Hub, where you can go ahead and deploy your own coins and tokens on the Solana network. And also they have these tabs over here, which is a community tab, trending NFT, top 100 altcoins. So the website looks clean, and I won't be going much into details of tokenomics, and I won't bore you with the roadmap. So just to let you know, Solana Classic would be listed on Mexc Global and Bitget for now, and maybe in the future it might get listed on major tier 1 exchanges like maybe Binance or Coinbase, you may never know. Now if you don't have an account on Mexc Global, you can use my sign up referral link in the description for Mexc Global, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And also Mexc Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So there is no buying fee on Mexc Global right now. And the taker fee, which is the selling fee, is anywhere between 0.01 to 0.02%, depending whether it's future or spot. So you can also deal in futures on Mexc Global and use scalping because of the lowest possible fees. Now, if you want to buy Solana Classic, it's only available on a decentralized exchange right now. So simply go to jupe.ag. Now over here, you can go ahead and swap some SOL for Solana Classic. So simply go to CoinMarketCap and copy the token contract address. And go in your buying. And over here, go ahead and paste the token contract address and click over here. And as you can see, I already have some Solana Classic in my Solfair wallet right now. So let's say if you want to go ahead and swap 0.1 SOL for Solana Classic, then you would be getting around 1831 Solana Classic as per the current market price. Now, since I've already purchased a decent amount of Solana Classic, I won't be going ahead and buying it. But if you want, you can go ahead and buy it. Because I've kept this Solana for some layer 3 quest and also for buying some other meme coins. So it is this simple to go ahead and buy Solana Classic tokens or coins. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.